In this short tutorial, you will learn how to take a long screenshot on a Samsung device. Taking a long screenshot allows you to capture an entire web page or conversation in one image, making it easier to view and share. To get started, go over to where you want to take a long screenshot. For example, I'm going to take a long screenshot of a web page. What you want to do next is just take a screenshot like you normally would. Once you've captured the screenshot, you'll see these options at the bottom. Simply tap on this button at the bottom left to take a long screenshot. You can tap on that button again and again to take a screenshot of the entire screen. This screenshot will also be saved to your gallery, just like any other screenshot. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.